Hello guys, you're welcome back to another episode on my channel. So today I'll be teaching us how to use the pin to hold down our guinea pigs, because most times some people, when they use pin, the pin will end up losing or something. So I'll be teaching us how to do the pin the proper manner that it won't lose. So first thing first is you hold the pin and you project it towards the opposite direction of where you want to pin down, like showing below. I'm pushing this forward now, but the pin is still going to come backwards. I don't know if you get that. So again, I'm pushing the pin forward, but in my mind of mine, I know it's coming backward. In that way, it's going to give it a very firm grip on the pleats, and then the part you're trying to hold that will not come out. So again, I do it here, push it, project it forward, then twist it, and then lock it backward. Again, project forward, then take it all upside down, and then clip it. In that way, see, I'm trying to drag it. It's not that shows that I did it the right way. So this is the end of this video. Yeah, I'm just going to be repeating what I did there for those that want to try it again. So please, I think I'm doing it for the last time, so just watch again and follow. You could pause the video to try it out if you think it's too fast. So that's the end of this video. Very short, but I hope someone understands and try this out. Thank you so much for staying by. See you in the next video, and please don't forget to drop the video. I'll be right in the comment sections the video you want me to film about, or any DIY style you want me to touch. Thank you so much. Bye.